Welcome to Learn English Every Day. Are you ready to test your grammar skills? Here's a quiz on prepositions. Let's go. The cactus is the table. The cactus is on the table. The dog is the park. The dog is in the park. The ball is the chair. The ball is under the chair. The cat is the sofa. The cat is behind the sofa. The shoes are the boxes. The shoes are between the boxes. The remote is the bowl. The remote is next to the bowl. The bird is flying the tree. The bird is flying over the tree. The fish is the bowl. The fish is in the bowl. The dog is the curtain. The dog is behind the curtain. The cup is the saucer. The cup is on the saucer. Awesome job, friends! You just finished the prepositions quiz. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun grammar videos.